Congratulations on your Silken Titan AllWays. Titan AllWays uses radio frequency energy to rebuild collagen and elastin to tighten skin, reduce wrinkles, and improve skin texture. Titan AllWays can be used cordless or corded. If you want to use it cordless, please charge 6 hours before continuing with the video. Let's get started. Treatments should be done on clean, dry skin. When you first use your Silken, remove the protective tab off the device. Start your treatment at level 1. Apply approximately a teaspoon of gel to the device. Divide your face into zones. For best results, you'll want to spend at least 10 to 15 minutes in each section. Have full contact with skin, always in an upward motion. Keep the device moving at all times to maintain temperature level. If you see the red light flickering or not coming on at all, or if the device feels that it's tugging your skin, this usually means there is not enough gel to conduct the energy. Don't be shy. Reapply more gel. It's normal to apply more gel throughout the treatment. Areas that have less fat tissue can require more gel. Better contact, better results. The energy levels are for your comfort. Increase to the highest level you're most comfortable with to get best results. Remember, it's normal to reapply more gel during treatment. However, a little spritz of water to rehydrate the gel will make it last a little longer. Enjoy your freedom while using the cordless feature. The cord is handy for when you want to do a full facial and neck treatment. When you're done, clean off any gel. Apply moisturizer after treatment and enjoy your incredibly smooth and soft skin. After each use, clean your device with a clean, dry cloth. This video is to help you get the best results possible. If you have any questions about your Silken, please contact our product specialist at contact@silken.com.